Today let's talk about TJ oil seal. This product is national oil seal and the material is rubber and the color is red brown. This has with a spring and the size is internal diameter. This is 95 and the external diameter is 120 and the sink is 12. The product has many following features. The first one with longer service life and more wear resistance, and good abrasion resistance, high temperature resistance, and good structure, aging resistance, oil leakage prevention, and mud pro water, thickened spring and thickened skeleton. Is applicable to heavy truck in the mechanical engineering equipment processing industry. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.